And hello there again, the fancy folks. This is Big Wars, and welcome to an episode of Big Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai exclusive item. We have here the Aqua Hambrabi 2 Titans. This is an Advance of Zeta reboot version from the HGUC under the 1/144 scale. So yeah, as you can see, this is really truly P-Bandai we're in. We have a monotone box. We see the Aqua Hambrabi here, and it will dock with the Barzum over here, giving it more firepower to the Barzum. Okay, so off to the side is just big text telling Hambrabi Titans version, and the other side is just this one. Yeah, so that's what's on the box art, and let's take a look inside. So we see one bag with 2 sprues, again with the same color of the Barzum. Another sprue all gray, another sprue still all gray, since this is like an armor of sorts. All gray, some white. We also get some white here, and also the same bluish color from the Barzum. And lastly, of course, a very typical P-Bandai manual. But in the end, here it will show here how to combine the Aqua Hambrabi to the Barzum. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have here the A1 sprue, which is sporting the same color as the Barzum, and most likely would be the armor for the Hambrabi Aqua. Yep. And then we also have not one but 2 A2s here. Yep. Again with the same color as the Barzum. We also have a B1 here, which is light gray, most probably for the inner framings and stuff. Same with the B2 here. Yeah. So more of inner frames and weapons, pipes and whatnots. We also have not just one, but again 2 of the C sprues, which is again with the same light gray color. We have a D1, which is a white in color, and then a D2 here, same white color. Lastly, we have not just one, but again 2 XB sprues here, which is light gray color, and most probably stuff for the armor. We also have the sprueless stand. We have 2 wires here, for the attack. We have some foil sticker sheets here, and some special stickers. And once again, yes, we have here the instruction manual on how to create or how to assemble the Aqua Hambrabi. And into the last pages of this is, of course, this tells you how to combine the Barzum, the same P-Bandai Barzum AOZ reboot, the Advanced Zeta reboot, is on how it can combine the Barzum with the Hambrabi. Yes, and as you can see here, it will look like this one, and it's being called as the Aqua Barzum. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the P-Bandai 1/144 Aqua Hambrabi 2 Titans, the Advance of Zeta reboot version. And this is Big Wars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, sharing the videos, commenting. And until next time, see you and thank you.